it's time to go rip over to the start line, see what's happening for the scramble, and go get you guys some footage. So I think it's that time to go ahead and start the engine and rip that way.
777 Motorsports to the rescue. Good job, buddy.
We found the part.
Yeah.
Who would have thought? How cool is that?
Thank you.
So we met this awesome family last night. It's a father, wife, and his 2 daughters, and they both race, and she barely even made it up the hill and cracked her hub assembly. Somebody ran into her. So we went and actually found a new one, got lucky, and now they're putting it on.
Where's that speaker? Maybe bottom for you. Watch your knees, Greg. In case that's
Probably the only car I've ever broken in.
All right, she's back down. The world's a better place.
Actually, mine is up now.
What a freaking day. That was so cool to watch all the races. Lots of friends did really cool stuff and did a really good job. So we're gonna go walk around the Red Bull tent for a little bit and see what else is going on. And that's it for now. Nick unfortunately just took a little tumble down this little wall right here. It's kind of soft. And unfortunately took a little spill, but he's okay. All these guys are super cool. We're having so much fun with them. We're gonna keep on going and keep on recording.